In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to control camera focus in Cinema 4D. Controlling focus is all about guiding the viewer's eye, and the first thing you need is depth of field. Open your render settings and enable depth of field so the renderer actually calculates blur and sharpness. Without this, you can set focus all day and nothing will change in your final render. Depending on your viewport preview, you might not see much until you do a quick render, so don't worry if it looks flat at first. Next, let's set focus directly on the camera. Select your camera and head to the Object tab. You'll see the focus distance parameter. You can adjust this numerically to push focus closer or farther from the camera, but there's a faster way. Use the focus picker. Click the picker icon and then click right on the object in your viewport that you want perfectly sharp. Cinema 4D fills in the exact distance and your subject snaps into focus. If it's not quite right, gently nudge the value until it's tack sharp. Remember, the focus point defines what's crisp. Objects nearer or farther will naturally blur once depth of field is active. For precise control and easy animation, drive your focus with a null object. Create a null and place it in your scene. In the camera's Object tab, assign that null to the Focus Object field. From now on, the camera will focus wherever the null is located. This setup is ideal for rack focus shots because you can move the null instead of guessing distances with numbers. To reposition that focus point quickly, use the Place tool. With the null selected, activate the Place tool and click directly on any surface in your scene. Each click snaps the null to the spot you choose, and because the null is the focus object, the camera refocuses instantly. It's a fast, visual way to jump focus from a foreground detail to a background subject without trial and error. A few tips as you work. Keep your camera view visible so you can judge sharpness as you pick or place focus. If you're animating, keyframe the null's position to create smooth focus pulls at the exact moments you want. And if everything still looks equally sharp in your renders, double-check that depth of field is enabled in the render settings. That's the process. Enable depth of field, use focus distance or the focus picker for quick setups, and switch to a null as the focus object with the Place tool for precise, animatable control. Happy rendering!